சௌராஷ்டிரா ஆண்கள் மேல்நிலைப் பள்ளி மதுரை இயற்பியல் ஆசிரியர் பெருமக்கள் வழங்கும் 12ஆம் வகுப்பு இயற்பியல் தொகுதி 1 புக் பேக் 1 மதிப்பெண் வினாக்களும் விடைகளும். குரல் வடிவம் கொடுத்தவர் இயற்பியல் ஆசிரியர் திரு எக்ஸ் டோலார் செல்வராஜன். 12th Standard Physics, English Medium, Volume 1, Book Back, One Word, Question with Answer and Solutions. Lesson 1, Electrostatics. Question number 1. Two identical point charges of magnitude minus q are fixed as shown in the figure below. A third charge plus q is placed midway between the two charges at the point P. Suppose this charge plus q is displaced a small distance from the point P in the direction indicated by the arrows. In which directions will plus q be stable with respect to the displacement? Option A, A1 and A2. Option B, B1 and B2. Option C, both directions. Option D, no stable. Correct answer, option B, B1 and B2. Question number 2. Which charge configuration produces a uniform electric field? Option A, point charge. Option B, infinite uniform line charge. Option C, uniformly charged infinite plane. Option D, uniformly charged spherical shell. Correct answer, option C, uniformly charged infinite plane. Question number 3. What is the ratio of the charges Q1 by Q2 for the following electric field line pattern? Option A, 1 by 5. Option B, 25 by 11. Option C, 5. Option D, 11 by 25. Correct answer, option D, 11 by 25. Question number 4. An electric dipole is placed at an alignment angle of 30 degree with an electric field of 2 × 10 to the power 5 Newton Coulomb inverse 1. It experiences a torque equal to 8 Newton meter. The charge on the dipole, if the dipole length is 1 centimeter, is option A, 4 meter coulomb. Option B, 8 meter coulomb. Option C, 5 meter coulomb. Option D, 7 meter coulomb. Correct answer, option B, 8 meter coulomb. Question number 5. 4 Gaussian surfaces are given below with charges inside each Gaussian surface. Rank the electric flux through each Gaussian surface in increasing order. Option A, D smaller than C, smaller than B, smaller than A. Option B, A smaller than B equal to C smaller than D. Option C, C smaller than A equal to B smaller than D. Option D, D greater than C greater than B greater than A. The correct answer is option A, D smaller than C, smaller than B, smaller than A. Question number 6. The total electric flux for the following closed surface which is kept inside water. Option A, 80 q by epsilon naught. Option B, q by 40 epsilon naught. Option C, q by 80 epsilon naught. Option D, q by 160 epsilon naught. Correct answer is option B, q by 40 epsilon naught. Question number 7. Two identical conducting balls having positive charges q1 and q2 are separated by a center to center distance r. If they are made to touch each other and then separated to the same distance, the force between them will be option A, less than before. Option B, same as before. Option C, more than before. Option D, 0. Correct answer is option C, more than before. Question number 8. Rank the electrostatic potential energies for the given system of charges in increasing order. Option A, 1 equal 4 smaller than 2 smaller than 3. Option B, 2 equal 4 smaller than 3 smaller than 1. Option C, 2 equal 3 smaller than 1 smaller than 4. Option D, 3 smaller than 1 smaller than 2 smaller than 4. Correct answer is option A, 1 equal 4 smaller than 2 smaller than 3. Question number 9. An electric field E vector equal 10x I unit vector exists in a certain region of space. Then the potential difference V equal V0 minus VA, where V0 is the potential at the origin and VA is the potential at x is equal to 2 meter is option A, 10 joule. Option B, minus 20 joule. Option C, plus 20 joule. Option D, minus 10 joule. The correct answer is option B, minus 20 joule. Question number 10. A thin conducting spherical cell of radius r has a charge q which is uniformly distributed on its surface. The correct plot for electrostatic potential due to this spherical cell is option A, option B, option C, option D. Correct answer is option B. Question number 11. 2 points A and B are maintained at a potential of 7 volt and minus 4 volt respectively. The work done in moving 50 electrons from A to B is option A, 8.80 into 10 to the power minus 17 joule. Option B, minus 8.80 into 10 to the power minus 17 joule. Option C, 4.40 into 10 to the power minus 17 joule. Option D, 5.80 into 10 to the power minus 17 joule. The correct answer is option A, 8.80 into 10 to the power minus 17 joule. Question number 12. If voltage applied on a capacitor is increased from 1 volt to 2 volt, choose the correct conclusion. Option A, Q remains the same, C is doubled. Option B, Q is double, C doubled. Option C, C remains same, Q double. Option D, both Q and C remains same. The correct answer is option C. C remains same, Q double. Question number 13. A parallel plate capacitor stores a charge Q at a voltage V. Suppose the area of the parallel plate capacitor and the distance between the plates are each doubled. Then which is the quantity that will change? Option A, capacitance. Option B, charge. Option C, voltage. Option D, energy density. The correct answer is option D, energy density. Question number 14. Three capacitors are connected in triangle as shown in the figure. The equivalent capacitance between the points A and C is option A 1 microfarad, option B 2 microfarad, option C 3 microfarad, option D 1 by 4 microfarad. The correct answer is option B 2 microfarad. Question number 15. Two metallic spheres of radii 1 cm and 3 cm are given charges of -1 into 10 to the power -2 coulomb and 5 into 10 to the power -2 coulomb respectively. If these are connected by a conducting wire, the final charge on the biggest sphere is option A 3 into 10 to the power -2 coulomb, option B 4 into 10 to the power -2 coulomb, option C 1 into 10 to the power -2 coulomb, option D 2 into 10 to the power -2 coulomb. The correct answer is option A 3 into 10 to the power -2 coulomb.